Welcome to Easy English Talk with Thon.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Portcast, Easy English Talk with Thon. I'm Thon, and today I'm here with my co-host, Danny. Danny, how are you today?
Hey, Thon. I'm doing really well today. I feel calm, focused, and ready to have a meaningful conversation. How about you?
I'm feeling great too. Actually, today's topic is something I've been thinking about a lot recently. Let me ask you something, Danny. Have you ever looked at someone's life and suddenly realized, wow, this person has completely changed their life?
Oh, yes, many times. Sometimes I see people who were struggling before, and now they are confident, successful, and happy. And I always wonder, what did they do differently?
Exactly. That's the question. Is it luck? Is it talent? Or is it something deeper?
I think it's not about luck, because if you look closely, most successful people didn't change their life in one day. They changed slowly, step by step.
That's a very important point. You know, this reminds me of when I started learning English. At the beginning, everything felt difficult. New words, grammar, pronunciation, it felt overwhelming.
Same here. I remember thinking, if I just learn more vocabulary, I will become fluent. But later, I realized something very important.
What did you realize?
That learning English is not only about words, it's about practice, habits, confidence, and mindset.
Yes, mindset is very important. And actually, this connects perfectly to our topic today. Today, we are going to talk about how to change your life step by step.
And not in a complicated way, but in a simple, realistic way that anyone can follow.
Exactly. So if you're listening right now, this episode is for you. Let's start with something very important. Why do so many people feel stuck?
That's a great question, because honestly, everyone wants a better life, but not everyone takes action.
Right. So what stops them?
The first thing is fear. People are afraid to fail. They think, what if I try and it doesn't work?
Yes, but here's another question. What if it does work?
Exactly. Every successful person failed before, but they didn't stop.
That's the difference. They kept going.
Another reason people feel stuck is confusion. They don't know where to start. They think they need a perfect plan.
Yes, they wait too long. They keep thinking instead of doing.
And then there is negative thinking. People say things like, I'm not good enough. I can't do this.
Those thoughts are very powerful because if you believe them, you stop before you even begin.
And one more big problem, waiting for motivation.
Yes, people say, I will start when I feel ready.
But the truth is, you will never feel 100% ready.
Yes, action comes first, then motivation follows. Now, let's talk about something powerful, small actions.
Yes, many people think they need big changes, but actually, small steps are more important.
Let me give a simple example. If you practice English for just 10 minutes every day, after 1 month, you will see a big difference.
Exactly. It's like growing a plant. You don't see results immediately, but over time, it grows.
Consistency is the key.
Yes, not perfection, but consistency.
So if you're listening right now, ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do today?
Now, let's talk about mindset, because this is very important.
Yes, there are two types of mindset, growth mindset, fixed mindset.
If you have a growth mindset, you believe you can improve.
But if you have a fixed mindset, you believe you cannot change.
And that belief controls your actions.
Yes, if you say, I'm improving every day, your brain will look for progress.
But if you say, I can't do this, your brain will find reasons to stop.
So change your thoughts and change your life.
Let's be honest, many people are waiting for the right time, waiting for confidence, waiting for perfect conditions.
But that moment never comes,
Yes, the best time to start is now.
even if it's not perfect, even if it's small.
Because action creates confidence.
Now, let's talk about something people forget: your environment.
Yes, the people around you, the content you watch, they influence you.
If you are around negative people, it's harder to grow.
But if you are around positive people, you feel motivated.
So choose your environment carefully.
Follow people who inspire you, join learning communities, reduce negativity.
Even listening to this podcast is already a good step.
So, if we leave you with one message today, it is this.
Small steps every day change your life.
You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start.
And remember, you are improving little by little. Thank you so much for listening to Portcast, Easy English Talk with Thon.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep learning.